Are you interested in the stock market? Find market tips here. Investment in the stock market can be a complicated process. There is a lot of analysis and examination of the market that must be done, in order to ensure that you buy and sell the right stocks. Some of the complications involved with the market can be eliminated with the stock market advice in this video. Keep in mind that the value of a stock involves much more than simply its price. When deciding whether or not to invest in a particular stock, there are several other factors to consider that are more important. The price of a stock should be only one small part of the decision. When beginning and investing in the stock market, be sure to not invest too much. Many people make the mistake of putting all of their money into the stock market and end up losing it all. Set limits to the amount you are willing to gamble on, and no matter what, do not go over this limit. Remember that the market is made of all stocks. There will always be some going up and some going down. Winning stocks can bolster your portfolio even during downturns, whereas losing stocks can hold you back in a boom. Choose carefully, and above all else diversify your holdings. Doing this both minimizes your risks and increases your opportunities to gain. Many people who are just starting with stock market investments purchase mutual funds. Mutual funds are usually low-risk investments due to their diversification. The beauty of mutual funds is that you obtain a nice range of stocks, and you have a professional who is conducting all the research on the different companies in your investment portfolio. It may seem counterintuitive, but the best time to buy your investments is when they have fallen in value. Buy low/sell high is not a worn-out adage. It is the way to success and prosperity. Do your due diligence to find sound investment candidates, but don't let fear keep you from buying when the market is down. Investing should not be considered a hobby. It's a very competitive business, so you should treat it as such. You must understand your own profit and loss as well as those companies making those investments. Keeping this in mind can make the thought process and strategy creation for investing much easier. Short selling might be an option you can try. This is when you utilize loaning stock shares. An investor will borrow shares through an agreement of delivering the same quantity of those shares at a future date. At this point, the investor sells them so that they can be purchased again with the prices of the stock drop. In conclusion, although the stock market can be a complicated thing to invest in, it is still very possible to invest and have success. All that is needed to do this is a clear understanding of the stocks and how to analyze them. Thanks to the advice in this video, it can be easier to do. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.